Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're in Causeway Bay. I'm just gonna walk down towards Causeway Bay, and then you can see this bridge right there. And this particular bridge is kind of what I separate from Central, or from, that's kind of cool. I separate Wanchai from, in my mind, since I crossed this bridge, I feel like I went from Wanchai to Causeway Bay. So we're basically walked from Causeway Bay. And maybe I'm gonna cross the street here. Okay, Hong Kong FW. So we're just gonna walk this Causeway Bay. I'm just gonna follow, just kind of see what some of these other stuff are. The new restaurant. I guess it was a new restaurant and now it's a new restaurant. See it right there. So, okay. Actually, it looks like over there is kind of like a little library. You can see a bunch of books in there. It looks like it's like a... All right. So this is kind of typical Hong Kong Island feel. Got pretty much every kind of restaurant. Japanese, a lot of Japanese restaurants over here in Causeway Bay. Actually, Causeway Bay also has a lot of Indonesian people, domestic helpers, and a lot of tourists. There's some backpacker hotels over here too. A lot of Japanese, like this Ichiran. That one. That one. That one. So, okay, so we're just gonna walk into the heart of Causeway Bay in a minute. Very Hong Kongish right there, the dripping aircon. It's always like dripping aircons, but when you have this many high-rise buildings everywhere, it's kind of inevitable. Let's just see. I guess we're gonna walk. It's kind of the heart of Causeway Bay over here. So we're gonna walk in that direction. Phone cards. This is an office building. And we're gonna get across. And actually what I'm going to be looking for is this Bank of China, which I think is, it's not this corner, it's the next corner. We'll just take a look at the other corner down here. Okay. Causeway corner. I have to go around the corner, and then basically what I'm doing right now is looking for a Bank of China. And I think it might be down this way a little bit. Oops. Anyways, I'm gonna find that and then I'm gonna film some more. So this is just The taste of Shanghai. Taste Shanghai. I was thinking about Shanghai. Guess I saw a sign. Taste of Causeway Bay. Okay. That's it for now. Okay, this lens is pretty blurry, but it's because it's so foggy. Let's see if that clears it up. It does clear it up. See, right there is Hong Kong tramways. So actually, this is basically this little stretch is not too far from Central. You can see all the tall buildings, and then you can see that. I was gonna walk down it, but over there it's called Nebraska Steakhouse, which I think is kind of interesting. Fenwick Street. We're just gonna walk around a little bit. Let's see if I get across this one. Yeah, this right here is trams coming through here. We're gonna try to catch. And this is kind of a little street. Let's let me just see. The Bistro Wine Beast. Japanese food. Kind of interesting too. And over there is called Five Guys, which is a place I like to go to sometimes. If you've seen my other videos, you've probably seen me go there a couple times. Since I live nearby, I've had lots of different food of all kinds, but Five Guys is from the East Coast of the United States, so. But I'm not going to go there tonight because I kind of want to get some Japanese food. Oh, this is kimbap, Korean place. The Pond. That place is has a long history, kind of expensive beer, but a really nice venue. It looks like they have something going on here. I think I'm just gonna go right inside and see what it is. It feels like a game is going on. It was raining earlier, so oh, it is a game. You got uniforms on and everything. So okay, I'm gonna walk right on out of here. Okay, so this is the main street again, and there's trolley system is right there. There's a trolley right there. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk in this area a little bit down Johnston Road. and we'll walk by these people waiting for the stop, and then I'll turn off the camera on the other side. So then we're gonna go get some Japanese food at a place I really like. So okay, spot. Let's go a little bit further. Okay, let's see. Guys hanging out drinking some beer there. Okay, so this is the Hong Kong station. This is it, so Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.